Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about kissing and more specifically how to be a great kisser. So if you love to kiss, if you love to be kissed, if you could just make out forever, click the like button and then make sure you subscribe to today's channel. Now, kissing is one of those things that most people don't really get any instructions on. They're thinking, well, it's going to be easy, I should be good at it. But here's the thing, not everyone knows how to do it well. So I'm going to help you with that today. I am Céline Remy, the Intimacy Angel, and I am here to help you bring your sexy back in life. So let's start at the very beginning of a kiss. The number one thing that you need to focus on is hygiene. Because no matter how good you are kissing, if you've got bad breath or food stuck in your teeth or anything like this, it's gross. Nobody likes it. Nobody wants to kiss somebody who doesn't taste good. So take some time to focus on the hygiene first so that you know that you can always feel confident when you approach somebody for a kiss. Then you want to focus on your lips. What makes a good kiss? It's having pillowy lips, it's soft lips. So make sure that you use some chopsticks, make sure your lips are hydrated so that again it feels really soft and cushy when somebody kisses you and it's not like really dry. Now you want to think about how you position your lips and your mouth when you're kissing. You can do a kiss where you really like stuck and tight with your lips, or you can relax. The best kisses happen when your lips are soft and more relaxed rather than really tight into a position. Now you also need to think about your saliva, and you need to be able to manage your saliva. If you're like me and you salivate a lot, it can be great, but you have to learn to like keep it in and swallow it so that you don't just slobber all over your partner. I mean, some people might be into this, but most people are majorly turned off by extremely wet kisses and slurpiness all over somebody's face. So learn that. It's not that hard. Just pay attention when you look like you're like over salivating. Take a little breath in, swallow it, and go and continue with your kiss. So when you are kissing, think about variation. You don't want to be doing the same thing over and over, and you don't want to always use your tongue either. You want to use your tongue wisely. Vary the intensity, vary the pressure, and rather than thinking of it as like a sword fighting between two tongues when you are kissing, think of it more as a dance. You need to be attuned to your partner and your partner's response and body, and that the tongues are entwined and playing a dance. So it doesn't have to be like this crazy like oh like this, because it doesn't feel good, or shove your tongue directly into somebody else. It's more about like going slowly and paying attention to the response, to how they respond. You may want to pay attention to how your partner kisses you and match more what they're doing, because usually people will kiss you the way they like to be kissed. So notice, are they doing more little pecks without the tongue? Do they do just the tip? Do they do a full tongue? And this can give you clues as per what your partner likes. Now you can also venture out of what they feel comfortable with and create a makeout session where you explore different ways of kissing, different depth with the tongue, no tongue, different areas. But this can be a fun adventure that you guys talk about and create together. Now you want to bring the element of playfulness as well into your kisses. If you can bring that element of playfulness, it makes things fun, light, and then you want to do it again because it's something that you're having a good time with. And if you're playful and something doesn't go exactly as planned, it doesn't matter, because you can have a good laugh about it, move on, and create something that feels good. And remember, the attunement part, the listening to your partner's response and matching their response will go a long way. Now for a surprise kiss, try it also different position. So let's say your partner is laying on their back face up. Rather than kissing face to face, both nose facing to nose and lips to lips, you can turn around, and that means that you're going to be over their head and kissing them upside down for a mystery kiss that's going to take them by surprise. Above all, when you are kissing, it's important to be present, to love what you're doing, and to be willing to try out new things, because you never know until you try whether or not you're going to like it. But if you pay attention and you're willing to adjust in the moment, that's how you can become a great kisser. And if you love what you do, it's gonna be felt through. So there you have it. These are my tips for you on how to be a good kisser. So now go do some practice and enjoy it. Mwah. I want to thank Onnit for sponsoring today's video. Now, do you know why you feel hornier in the summer months rather than the winter months? No, it's not because you're showing more skin. Well, it does help. It's because of the vitamin D, because you spend more time outside and in the sun. Now, as many as 75% of people in the US are deficient in vitamin D. And vitamin D is one of these essential vitamins. It's the sexiest vitamin alive. It helps with your sex hormones, with your mood. So one way that I found works really well for me is to take it into a spray form, because it's convenient and simple. All I have to do is 5 sprays under my tongue every day, and I've got my daily dose, and it works well. I'm set to go. If you want to boost your vitamin D levels easily and effortlessly, get your Onnit spray. Go to onnit.com and use Love Lab at the checkout to get 10% off your order, or click on the links below in the description. You won't regret it.